rain pouring out my window while I'm staring out it. Fuck the past, I try my hardest not to think about it. But the past makes me who I am today. So I wonder how would I live without it. Growing up in my past, my family struggled hard. Single mother, 5 kids in a link card. In order to survive, you gotta play your cards. Yeah, I had those rough nights where I had to starve. 3 homies on the block, Tate, Sean, and Travis. We had each other's back, that was our homie status. Since we lost touch, shit, I don't know what happened. All I can do is pray to God that need us in the casket. One cry, all cry, nobody left behind. So hard to paint the shit that's going through my mind. Searching for the right path is very hard to find. When you come from a neighborhood where there's only crime. I'm criticized by white folks cause of my skin color. And crooked cops give us guns so we can kill each other. And that leads to a depressed mother burying her son who was killed over nothing. Yeah. 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 As if right now I have an ambition to capture your eyes and ears and hope that you listen. Staring at old pictures with constant reminiscing. Wishing I can go back and fix my decisions. Yeah, I got kicked out of school and I must admit it. But that's just another fact that I had to mention. When the money coming in, people start acting different. It gets you thinking who real and who really isn't. A lot of rappers like the lie to grab your attention, knowing well they never had that hard time experience. That shit I be recording, that's coming from my spirit. Those rhymes that's on your paper are just written lyrics. If there's footsteps on the moon, then how's the sky's the limit? Sometimes life is just questionable shit. And I'd rather see death before prison, cause I just think it's better in my honest opinion.
The sky is the limit. The only way you fail is if you don't attempt it. I played my cards right and I paid attention. I kept my eyes open so I wouldn't miss it. From a kid I watched the OGs live it. I was born in this world so I gotta finish. Overlooking my haters' nilside vision. Fulfilling my goals and pursuing my wishes. I don't got time to dream, I gotta get it. Still on the block with that triple beam. Still water whipping till I see the dishes clean. In the studio late night till I fall asleep. When my ticket come, I'm hopping in that plane seat. And when I touch down, all my niggas gon' eat. We gon' throw a block party on the main street. I just wanna thank the Lord for watching over me. Aiming at the heavens, rest in peace.
Only if I make it. Only if I make it. Only if I make it. Only if I make it.